criminal movement. We have nowhere to run to, and we don't plan to run anywhere until this country is fully liberated. We will go back and wait for the courts to give us a new date, and of course return back to court. We also have no status update for you regarding our case at the federal court, where we're also expecting the so-called criminal trial to continue. Of course, what is clear is that they don't have any case. They have no case, and they will never have a case, because even the Federal High Court in Lagos declared that the revolution now protest, the disruption of it was illegal. It was an abuse of the rights of the protesters, and even offered, offered damages to a party which was just a public interested party, a lawyer, 1 million naira. We don't know if they have paid that money, but we know that being the lawless people that they are, they may not pay the money. They're also supposed to apologize in 3 newspapers. We haven't heard if they apologized or not. But that tells you something, that all of this is going to work in our favor at the end of the day. It's going to work in the favor of Nigerian people, and that we will be liberated in our lifetime. We will have a country that we can call our own. And that nobody, as I keep saying, even while I was in detention, nobody should be afraid of these guys. You should not be afraid of people who should be afraid of you. You should not be scared of people who are doing evil in your country. You should stand up to them, whatever it takes. Some people have to fight to make this country safe, dignified for its citizens. And we have opted to do that, and we hope all of you will continue to follow and join us as well. There is an adage, I don't know whether it's Yoruba or Igbo or Hausa, but I think it applies to everybody in Nigeria, that if one person is feeding society, he's likely to run out of food. But if society is feeding one person, his belly will burst. And that's what we need to do. Society should be feeding them with our anger against injustice that has become the norm in our country. So that's what we have to say. I know a lot of you are watching, and a lot of you have been wanting to know how things are going with us. We are fine. We're doing very well, and we continue to urge you all to stay safe in this period of international, in fact, global pandemic. People that would have died of even COVID at the end of the COVID pandemic. Because in Nigeria, you are liable to die of anything: road accident, hunger, starvation, diseases, unemployment, anything can kill you in Nigeria. So, and terrorism, exactly, insecurity, kidnapping, all kinds of things kill people, insurgents, and we don't even know, nobody calculates the number of people that dies every day in Nigeria, unlike now that we get the number. And you know that even our pandemic, the COVID pandemic, now they are started turning it into a business. If you've seen a video today that is circulating, it has become corruption, where they are operating isolation centers and putting healthy people there, and some of them were dancing Azonto and released the video that's now in circulation today. They pay people to be in isolation center, whereas they ignore the people who have the challenges, the health challenges brought by Corona. So that's the kind of country that we're in, and that's the country we must change. We are their federal headquarters, federal capital territory. This is Abuja. We are in Abuja in front of the Court of Appeal. But I don't call it the federal capital territory. I call it the federal capital of thieves. Because all these guys are here just stealing and destroying this country. And as despicable as they are, they don't want anybody to have the right to speak up. They don't want you to complain even after they beat you. They don't want you to complain when you are summarily disengaged from work. They don't want you to complain when they violate your rights. They don't want you to complain. Anybody that complains, they bring the police after you, they bring army after you, they bring DSS after you, They bring all kinds of people. They bring thugs after you. So their intention is to make everybody become a zombie. They want a situation where everybody in this country is afraid, but we refuse to be afraid of anybody. We refuse to continue to live as slaves in our country. And that is where we are committed to ending impunity of leadership in Nigeria. I want to urge you all to continue to stay strong.